ACSS Assassins. Go get them for me. Thank you.
Matthew.
I had a picture.
Sorry. Control 3.
They started round 5.
ACSS Assassins, do I have them yet? They're on their way? Good.
Matthew, quick, get it.
Can they have that as a fold?
Skip.
You want to restart?
Skip.
No, you want to restart back to here and then just go to skip tile? Or what do you want to do?
Just leave it. Just leave it.
You sure?
Yep.
Just leave it. For sure. How long do we have?
1 minute to go.
Yeah, that's 4 times.
What? Sure. Say father friends have gotten. Oh, my name is Matthew.
Back this way and
Alright. 40 seconds to go. It's going to be close.
hopefully.
30 seconds to go.
With Will. Restart it. There.
What?
Back to start. We've only got 15 seconds though.
Yeah, we're not going to make it.
Yeah, we're not going to get it.
64 points.
Yeah.
Unlucky. Any idea what happened there? It saw the silver, it turned around, but didn't pick up the cup. Pick up the can.